Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete OneDrive version history, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in to your Microsoft account. This will give you access to all your cloud storage and file management features. After you log in, wait a moment while the page loads and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, you can manage all your files and access the version history settings. Look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on My Files to view all the files you currently have stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. This section displays everything you've uploaded, making it easy to locate the specific file you need to work with. Now browse through your files and find the one whose version history you want to delete. Once you've located it, click on the check mark next to the file to select it. After selecting the file, you'll notice a three-dot icon appear. Click on this icon to open a context menu with additional options for managing your file. From the list of options that appears, click on Version History. This will open a new window showing all the previous versions that have been saved for this particular file. Version history is useful for tracking changes and restoring earlier drafts, but sometimes you may want to clean up older versions to save space or simply keep things organized. In the Version History window, you'll see a list of all saved versions along with their timestamps. Locate the specific version you want to remove and click on the three-dot icon next to it. A small context menu will pop up with several options including Open the File, Restore, and Delete Version. This gives you full control over what you want to do with each saved version. Finally, click on Delete Version to permanently remove that particular version from your file's history. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a version from your OneDrive version history, helping you keep your cloud storage cleaner and more organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.